Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many. Now tonight we are doing burgers on the Kamado, and we're having a bit of a barbecue next door. Some of you might say, well, are you having a barbecue with your next door neighbours when we're in lockdown? Check out this. Cut a hole in the fence and they're all joining us. Burgers! Woo! Okay, so let me talk you through the ingredients and then I'll bring you close and we'll get cooking. So we have the fresh burgers that we've made out of 500 grams of mince. We've got the pulled pork coming up in the next video. Barbecue sauce, salt and pepper, brioche buns with 4 slices of cheese, some Baconaise which I've made in a previous video, which there'll be links to below, and some freshly grown lettuce leaves. Okay, off our little lettuce wall. Right guys, so we're now open up the Kamado. Just stand back and let the smoke sort of dissipate. And then we've got 4 burgers. Now, all these were with 500 grams of mince, divided into 4, balled up, squashed out nice and flat, and that is it. There's no breadcrumbs, there's no eggs, there's none of this binding stuff that you'll get in a lot of burgers. And all we're going to do is gently sort of slide these on, because they are very delicate. I'm going to shut the lid, and we're going to come back to these in. We've got 2 nice brioche buns. While they're cooking away, I'm going to open them up. Okay, and we're going to add some Baconaise, which is what we put on YouTube the other day. Okay. Next door, that's Ryan trying to be funny with some of his really poor jokes. Don't abuse him on social media for it. Right, okay, so then what we're going to do, we're going to add some lettuce. Okay, freshly picked. Okay, and they're ready now for, right, let's have another little look. So we're going to lift it just slowly. Okay, and then we're just going to gently turn these over. You can see them cooking away. They're not going to cook too quick because I've got it set quite low just so we get the smokiness. Okay, and then at this point we've got some pulled pork which I made earlier in the last video. Just going to top each one with a little bit of pulled pork. It's very smoky. And then while that burger's cooking away, the pulled pork's going to heat up as well. And we're just going to close the lid back down. Next, we're going to open it up. We're just going to burp the Kamado, open it up, and now we're going to stick some cheddar cheese over the top, like that. A little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. The smoke got me then, sorry guys. Right, then close it back up just for a couple of minutes. There we go. Nice. So what we are going to do now is we're going to stack these up. Now, I'm not left-handed, but I'm trying. Okay. There's one, and then there's another one. Okay, then we're just going to close this down. And then, okay, we have the burgers there. Okay. Then what we're going to do, okay, we are going to drizzle some barbecue, American barbecue sauce over the top. Put the lids on. Move them back, and there we have it. 2 beastie burgers with cheese, barbecue sauce, pulled pork and Baconaise. Right guys, there we have it, the final product. What do you think of them? Would you eat them? What would you change? Would you do anything differently? Let me know. Okay, so don't forget, Facebook page at One Pizza Too Many for all the in-between pictures and action. And don't forget to hit the bell to subscribe, share, comment, and make sure all your burger friends are on the same page as us.
One pizza too many.